Are you still renting and wondering if buying a home is really worth it? You might think that home prices are too high, or with the current mortgage rates, if it even makes logical sense. But here's the reality. Renting is getting more expensive every year, and if you don't have a plan, you might find yourself paying way more than you expected. In this video, I'll break down the real cost of renting in 2025 and why buying a home might actually save you money and how to decide what's right for you. Now stick around because I'll share a powerful tool so that you can run and see the numbers for yourself. Ready? Let's dive in. Hey, I'm Ravi Ramachandran, the managing broker with the Rams Group. Welcome to our channel where I share insights to help home buyers and sellers be in the real estate know. Now let's get into it. Why is renting becoming more expensive? And is homeownership really a better financial move in 2025? These are all questions which are normal. Now let's break it down. Now, if you have been renting for a while, you've probably noticed that rents are going up and fast, that too. Now, according to the latest reports, rent prices have increased by about 20% in the most major cities in the US in just the last few years. And guess what? That trend isn't slowing down. And according to Realtor.com's 2025 housing forecast, rent prices are expected to continue to climb due to inflation and the current demand. Most of this might be tribal knowledge, but let's get down to the specifics. Now, this means that every year, your rent is likely going to go up and you're going to pay more than the year before without gaining anything in return. Now, for giggles, you don't even own the dust on the wall when you help pay somebody else's mortgage. Right? Now, let's compare that to owning a home. Now, when you buy a home, you can lock in your monthly mortgage payment for about 15 or 30 years. Unlike rent, which increases every year, this is going to work to your advantage because of the predictability and the stability that homeownership allows, so that you can budget the monthly mortgage payments with total confidence. As Lawrence Yun, the chief economist at the National Association of Realtors, NAR, puts it, fast rising rents and increasing consumer prices may have some prospective buyers seeking the protection of a fixed, consistent mortgage payment month after month, which is true, right? Now, simply put, buying gives you long-term stability while renting leaves you at the mercy of the market, literally. When you rent, your money is helping build somebody else's wealth. In this case, your landlords. You're paying their mortgage, right? You're amortizing their loan for them, helping them build equity, while you walk away with nothing. But when you buy a home, every mortgage payment that you make builds your equity, which means you are investing in your own future instead of your landlord's. Make sense? Now, another huge perk of owning a home, the perfect trifecta that helps it all come together in the homeowner's favor, are these three things. Number one, the mortgage interest deduction. You can deduct the interest that you pay on your mortgage. And number two is the property tax deduction. You may be able to write off the annual property taxes that you pay towards your home. And number three, the home equity growth. Now, as your home value increases, so does your net worth. And now, when you add it all up, owning a home isn't just about a place to live, it's making a smart financial decision. Wouldn't you agree? Now, I know that buying a home is a huge decision and it's not the right move for everyone in every market. And that's why I've included a rent versus buy calculator in the description below so that you can not only provide the numbers, but crunch them to see for yourself as to what it would mean for your specific situation and if that option even makes sense about owning a home. Now, if you're unsure, let's chat. Many buyers just like you have reached out to me for guidance, and I'd love to help you make the right decision as well based on your goals. And we at the Rams Group are connected with great lenders as well who may be able to run the numbers for you, and it's all completely free and there's no obligation. Just our way of giving back to the community and, more importantly, helping you thrive. Now, at the end of the day, both renting and buying a home have their own pros and cons. Now, understand that the long-term financial impact is key. Do not make the decision based on your emotion, but let it be based on real numbers. So there you have it. If you found this video helpful, feel free to hit that like button, drop a comment below with your biggest takeaway, and subscribe to our channel for more real estate insights. And do not hesitate to reach out should you have any questions. I've included my contact information in the description below. That said, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.